Hello everyone, I'm Alma, the sales manager of K Hair Factory. Recently, I received so many questions from my dear customer that how can I shorten the order time, or the international delivery takes so many time. So that's why I do this video to give you 5 tips to answer the question that how should I shorten the order time. Alright, so stay tuned. Alright, so move to the first tip is that choosing the natural straight hair. For example, I'm holding the blonde straight hair of K Hair Factory, and I know that this type hair is really easy to resell and the processing time is really short. So the trendy hair and the processing time is really short, so why not, right? Alright, so move to the second tip is about the closure. Try to choose the common closure. For example, the kincaid closure, 2x6 closure, or the 2x4 closure. As I mentioned before, we are the wholesale factory, so we would prioritize the common thing. You should try to place the order of the really big closure, for example, 13x4 closure or 13x6 closure. Alright, so we move to the third tip. This is about the quantity of your order. So you should place the order in bulk. For example, that more than a half of the kilogram. But if you do not own your hair vendor or your hair salon, you should gather the order from your friends or try to avoid placing the order like one bundle of this type and another bundle of another type. So you know that it really takes time, and we are the wholesale factory, as I mentioned before. The price that I gave you is already the price right after the factory, so it's really affordable already. Alright, so we move to the fourth tip. Is if you really want to place the order of curly hair or the colored hair, try to place the order in our catalog. I will put our catalog here, and you know that all the hair in this catalog is really trendy, and you will receive their hair exactly what you want in this catalog, so you will not disappointed from that. Okay, and the last but not least, the tip number 5 is about the fast payment. You can transfer the deposit first and then we start processing your hair, but I hope that you can transfer the balance soon, so avoid the situation that the hair is already finished and it's already ready to ship, but the payment is not finished and we still keep it. So there are 5 tips that you can shorten the order time. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment or contact me on WhatsApp. I can answer you immediately, and I hope that you can receive the best hair in the shortened time. Thank you for watching.